Are you ready for job redesign?
Yes.
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 Of course.
Yes.
Yes.
A must.
You should too.
How can I get started?
Start with the Job Redesign Online Toolkit. Embark on job redesign using the implementation guide. Search for technology and non-technology job redesign solutions. Check out available funding support and learn from case studies of various hotels and their job redesign initiatives.
What else can I do?
Attend job redesign workshops to equip yourself with necessary skills and knowledge. Discover ways to help employees adapt to redesign jobs and get hands-on guidance from our appointed consultants. Join the Hotel Job Redesign Community and get first-hand updates and guidance to make job redesign work for you.
How can job redesign benefit me?
Create higher value jobs.
It enhances productivity.
Uplift capabilities.
Make jobs more attractive.
Who's in?
Me.
Me.
Us.
And definitely you.
Embark on your job redesign journey now.